They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Ours began with a deep belief that everyone deserves to feel heard, healed, and whole. Hi, I'm Prachi Agrawal Agnihotri, a psychologist and psychotherapist, executive and life coach, and the proud founder of Disha Mental Health and Wellness. Today, as we celebrate 10 years of this deeply powerful and personal journey, I want to take a moment to reflect and thank you for being a part of it. When Disha first began, mental health was still shrouded in silence. Seeking help was often seen as a weakness. But we believed, and still do, that taking care of your mental and emotional health is one of the strongest things you can do. In these 10 years, Disha has grown from a one-room private practice into a trusted space of healing for thousands. And I have grown with it. From a self-doubting, fresh out of college psychologist to someone who now leads with purpose and quiet strength, restored and strengthened by the faith of over 2,000 individuals whom I have had the privilege to serve across more than 10,000 hours of therapy. And that's just one part of the story. Through seminars, workshops, and self help programs, we've reached countless more lives in schools, colleges, corporates, and community spaces. Building a community of our own that believe that catering to mental and emotional health is not optional. It's the need of the hour for all of us. And as we've expanded, so did our mission. We've also been training and mentoring budding psychologists through our internships and micro skills training programs, many of whom have been part of our team as associate psychologists, and many more who've gone on to create waves of impact on their own. We're deeply proud of each one of them. The lockdowns, in all their uncertainty, taught us something profound. Connection transcends geography. Today, Disha is no longer limited to Indore. We now support individuals from all corners of India, from metros like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad to smaller towns and cities where access to mental health is still evolving. And beyond India, our reach has grown to include clients from the US, Canada, UK, Australia, UAE, Singapore, Japan, and more. People who found in us a safe, compassionate, and professional space to heal no matter where they are from. None of this would have been possible without our incredible clients, our team of dedicated associates and interns, and every stakeholder who believed in our vision. A heartfelt thank you to the doctors and fellow mental health professionals who continue to collaborate and refer with such trust. Your support has helped amplify our impact. Thank you for making Disha your first choice for mental wellness. We don't take this trust lightly. As I pause and look back at this journey, I'm filled with gratitude, but also with excitement, because while the last 10 years have been transformative, we know that this is just the beginning. At Disha, we never believed in staying still. And as we've evolved, so has our vision. We're now working on something that takes our mission to the next level, an offering that will make mental, emotional, and psychological wellness more accessible, more engaging, and deeply empowering for people in their everyday lives. Stay tuned, we promise it's worth the wait. As we step into this next chapter, we carry forward the same mission with renewed energy. Mental health and wellness is not a luxury. It is the foundation of a meaningful life. At Disha, we're not just here to help you survive. We're here to help you thrive. Thank you for walking this path with us. Here's to the next 10 and more.